Meaning of fart.
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 Fart. Fart is a vulgar term used to describe the release of intestinal gas through the anus. This gas is primarily made up of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, methane, and hydrogen, and it is typically odorless. However, due to the presence of trace amounts of sulfur-containing compounds, farts can sometimes have an unpleasant odor. The act of farting can be involuntary or intentional and can occur for a variety of reasons, including digestion, bacterial action in the gut, and swallowing air. Farting can be embarrassing in social situations but is a normal bodily function.